roast some of my concentrates. Today, I thought it was a good opportunity to roast some of my concentrates. I've been accumulating them. These are concentrates we've already been through, but I've not roasted yet to get some more gold out. So we're starting up the fire, and let's see if we can get some of the gold out. It'll be fun. So whenever I do something like this, I always wear a respirator, protect myself from the vapors, eye protection, in case something explodes. Respirators, eye protection, and I make sure there's no one else around, just to keep it safe. Good cast iron pot. We're gonna roast it all at about 1,000 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. I think that should do it. When we're finished roasting, we're gonna pour it into an ice cold bucket of water. That should shock it enough to break the concentrates up and perhaps release some gold. I think we're just about ready to get going. Let's get those concentrates in the fire. I look a little bit like a bug, don't I? I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. We've been roasting for about an hour now, so I think it's time we can take it out and put it in the ice cold water. Let's shock it. These are our classifications, smallest to largest. For the really fine materials, we're going to use the micro gold cleanup sluice from Flower Gold Wizards. The Smooth Water Mini. This is for a really, really fine stuff. See how it goes. There could be gold right there. And there. Maybe right there. It looks like right up in there. You see that? Yeah. Right in there. Okay. Let me pan this out and I'll be right back. You can see it's starting to appear in the upper left-hand corner there. Oh, sorry, upper right there. Yeah, my other left, right inside. Nice fine gold up there. Just shake it down. Right up there. It's a little gold area up there. You can see it better with the sun shining on it. Let's go ahead and snuff it up. Next size. Let's go. Alright, hand it out and see what we got. See the gold up here in the tip. Right there. We'll snuffer that up and move on. So just to be thorough, I took the first two sizes and I'm going to run it through this other micro sluice just to make sure we're getting everything. think I'm already seeing some gold right up here. Let me zoom up for you. I'm glad we did this thing. Right up here. See that? There's one there, there's one next to it that you can't see too well. Right there. And there might be one right there. Let's keep going. Check it out. And we'll see if there's more gold using this sluice. Let's see what's what. Up here. The whole little strip right there. That's gold. Really fine stuff. Super fine powder. Let's see if we can get a quick look at this. We'll give it a quick look right now, and then dry it out. Take a look at it. See if we can get a quick gander. See a lot of gold sparkles in there. I don't know if it's gold or not. We'll find out once we put it under the macro lens. Look at it up close. The sun is just so bad this time of year. Let's see if I can do something here. Can you all see up there? Some gold in there. I know, it's a crappy picture. Let me get it all in focus and dry it out, and I'll take a better look at it.